It is a fact, I believe, that brides tend to favor exceptionally plain bridesmaids for the big day. There is a certain analogy there, I feel. And contrast is, after all, God's own plan to enhance the beauty of his creation, or it would be if God were not a ludicrous fantasy designed to provide a career opportunity with a family idiot. The point I'm trying to make is that I am the most unpleasant, rude, ignorant, and all-round obnoxious arsehole anyone could possibly have the misfortune to meet. I am dismissive of the virtuous, unaware of the beautiful, and uncomprehending in the face of the happy. So if I didn't understand I was being asked to be best man, it is because I never expected to be anybody's best friend, and certainly not the best friend of the bravest and kindest and wisest human being I have ever had the good fortune of knowing.